Welcome back, sweeties. We're back with another Unice review. I want to thank them for sending this over. So inside you get the wig, lashes, 2 wig caps, and a cute little headband. So this wig did come to me pre-styled. It was already curled and the part was already mapped out in the lace. So this is a really great wig to buy just to have on hand, you know, something last minute pop-up girl. You already got a lace front styled for you. You just put it on and go. As you know, it comes with the 2 combs in the top, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and a little lace tab. This wig would have actually been great for a straight out of the box install, but since I recently did this length and curled it, I decided to just go ahead and bleach the knots and straighten it out because I've been wanting some straight hair. So now I'm just going in with a 355 coconut. I'm getting that really good and tinted, just covering that lace really good. Then I go in with my Eben glue. I do 1 good solid layer and get that really good and tacky with my blow dryer on a medium to low heat. And really quickly, I would like to do comment shout outs. So I would like to thank Miranda Woodard, Glam Butterfly 70, hey girl, I see you. Queens Mimi, Nat, Riri Love, Beautiful Person, and Pretty Fats 26. Thank you guys so much for commenting and showing the channel love. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, so at this point, now that you've gotten the wig onto the glued area, this is a crucial time for your melt. You need to do everything you can, comb that wig, get it trapped into that glue, pull out your got to be glued and further melt it down and then put your belt on. It will make a world of difference. Now that the wig is into that glue and you have your got to be on, you've put your belt on, I'm just going in with my blow dryer to further help marinate those two together. So when you take it off, it looks something like this. Now you see me applying more Got To Be. I put this around the hairline after I've cut off the lace. This is a really good step just for anything that may have lifted. Maybe it was never in the glue or whatever to begin with, but this is the time to lay that down. It just helps it, again, marinate into the skin. We're trying to make that lace go bye-bye. We want it to go away, okay? So we're gonna put that on. We're gonna put our belt back on, just further marinate it. So this would actually be the third time I put on my belt, and then I put it on again for a fourth time if I do baby hairs. The bottom line, girl, is that the magic is in the elastic. That's what I'm gonna say. The magic is in the elastic. If you're not using it yet, you better go get it, girl. That's where it's at. After I take the band off, sometime I will soften back up that hairline. Sometimes I won't. It depends on how it's looking. But I was kind of going for a more natural soft look here. So I decided to go ahead and comb out that Got To Be. But yeah, that's up to preference. But I did decide to go ahead and comb that out. Now I'm just going back in with that same brush that I used to tint my lace earlier, and I'm going around that hairline to blend everything together.
You say you love me for me. It's hard to believe. I put my heart on my sleeve. You're all that I need, but I don't wanna play your games no more. I changed for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Girl, don't come to my show. Who let you in the door? No one knows. No one knows. Oh. sure who let you in the door. No one knows. 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 No one knows.
See you all around my way. Been just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. And you gotta feel me. And I would love you good. Just
Okay ladies, so this is the final style. I just bumped it inward. I wanted to keep it really sleek and natural. I did no baby hairs because I'm a big girl today. But yes, the reason I did that was because it looks so good and pre-plucked with the lace still attached. And yeah, so I did it, and it's also good practice for me because I'm a baby hair lover. But I would like to get into some no baby hairstyles every now and again, okay? I have no complaints. I got no shedding during styling or before, like when I was like shampooing and bleaching the knots and stuff. I had no shedding, so she's a solid one. No, she's on our team now. So I want to thank Unice for sending this over to me. I want to thank you guys for watching. Keep supporting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.